Hi friends, welcome in KD Talk or KD Talks serial, that is English grammar serial. So friends, in yesterday's episode we will solve this all, that is complete the words by using the correct letters, and today we will solving the put these words in alphabetical order. Today we will solving that put this order in alphabetical order. So as you all know that friends, alphabetical order means the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are the letters, but the letters are said to be as a alphabet. Alphabet means we can say the letter as will be alphabet. We can say the letter that is alphabet, we can say. So alphabetical orders mean this letters orders which can call as alphabetical orders, means first A will become, then B, C, D. This is the sequence. So we can rearrange these words as the sequence of A, B, C, D. So first word is A, Gilton, word courage, forgive. Then how can we rearrange these words in alphabetical order? So for this we have to see this sequence of the letter A. The word which start from the A doesn't come in this sequence. B. The word which start from the B doesn't come in this sequence. C. Yes friends, the C, the letter which is starting from the C can come in this sequence, that is courage. So here we can fill COURAGE means courage. So here we can fill the word that is courage. Now next word is C. We can complete the D. The word which is started from the D doesn't come, E doesn't come, but the word which is started from the F come in this sequence, that is forgive. FORGIVE, forgive can come in this passage. So courage, I will already fill this. Then I can fill this word courage and forgive. Then the word which is started from the, then G will become. The word which is started from the G will become in this sequence, that is glistens. What is GLISTEN, glisten will become. The next, the word which is started from the W is the last, because we can fill the all words and the W's can come into the last, therefore we can fill here the word. So friends, here the sequence was be from, that is courage, next is forgive, glisten and word. Now our next question is about, wait for only 2 minutes, I will be sharing the screen, that is bus, beautiful, blue and blue. Bus, beautiful, by and blue. So these are the all words which is starting from the B. Now how can we arrange these words in an alphabetical sequence? For this we have to see their second letter. Means here the bus, B is the first letter, and we have to see their second letter. This letter we have to see second letter. So in this sequence, as you can see, U, E, U and L will become. So let's see in the alphabet which letter will become first. So in the alphabet, as you can see, the A, B, C, D, E will become first, and the letter which is have the second letter, that is E, that is beautiful. So we can arrange here the word that is beautiful. So we can arrange here the word that is. So we will rearrange this word that is beautiful. Come first. Then BUI, by, BLUE, blue and BUS, bus. The word which is start from the L come first. Then when the E will become F, the second letter which is starting from the F doesn't come in this sequence. G doesn't come, H doesn't come, I doesn't come, J doesn't come, K doesn't come, and the L, the word which is the second word which is start from the L is come. That is BLEV, blue. What is the word which is start from the BLEV, blue? Then the next word is BUS, bus, and BUY, by. The second letter have the same, means in this word the U is same and this U will be same. That how we rearrange this word? So for this we have to see the third letter. Third letter is S and the fourth word third letter is Y. So when the S will be composed, then or the Y will be composed. So as we all know that the S will be composed, so we have rearranged the word that is bus here. Bus, then BUY, by, here. BUY, by. So first we rearrange this bus and then BUY, by. You see that we have rearranged it. That is, next is third question, that is help, host, interest, into. So the word which is start from the H are two words and the word which is start from I, they are two words. So how we rearrange these words? So for this we have to check the word that the H will be composed in the letter or the I will be composed. So let's see in this sequence. As you can see, the H will be composed, then I will become. So we have to rearrange the word which is start from the H. But there are the two words which is start from the H, that is help and host. Which word is first? So for this we have to check their second letter. The second letter of the first word is E and the second word is O. So we have to check that the E will become or the O will be composed. So as we all know friends, the E will be composed. So here we can write the help. So here the word which is start from the, so here the help will be composed. Then we can rearrange the word that is HOST, host. We can rearrange this word that is HO, then I will write. So here the help will be composed, then host, the interest, and then into. So how we will be there? So in the letters the H will be composed and then the I will become. So we can have the two words which start from the H and they have the same first letter. So we have say their second letter. We have see their second letter. The second letter of the first word is E and the second word is O. So first the E will become, then O will become. So we have write the first letter that is help, then we have write the letter that is host. Then in this sequence the letter the two letters which start from the I and the two letters that will be start from the I, but we have to see their second letter. Oh friends, the second letter is also same. The third letter it will be also same. Then we have to see their fourth letter, that is E. In this fourth word that have the fourth letter, that is E, and this letter have the O. So E will be composed, then O will become. So we have to write here interest, then into. Okay. So this is all. We rearrange the sequence. Then go to our next sequence, that is tense, gone, outside, and parts. How will we arrange this sequence? So for this we have to see which word we compose. So in this sequence the word A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So the word which start from the A doesn't come. The word which we start from the B doesn't come. C doesn't come. The word which we start from the C, D, E, F doesn't come. But the word which start from the G come, that is G-O-N-E, gone. This word come first, because A, B, C, D, E, F, the word which start from A, B, C, D, E, F doesn't come, but the G, the word which start from the G come. So we have to write here the word that is G-O-N-E, gone. So the word which start from the O come. Then T, O and P are the words that tense, outside and parts are the words that can incomplete to rearrange this. So which word will become first? Means the O come first or the P come first, then T come first. So we can see that the outside O here OUTSIDE means outside will become first, then tens, then we can say that parts will become PARTS, parts will become, then tens will become. What come? Tens will become. So wait for only 2 minutes. Tens will become. So this is where we have rearranged the sequence, that is first gone, next outside, parts and tens. So this way we can rearrange this later. And your homework today is that you have to rearrange this word, that is Monday, mirror, married and means. You have to rearrange these words. I have explained everything. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet to the another episode. Thank you friends and goodbye.